The solar system. The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the Sun and the objects that orbit it. It was formed 4.6 billion years ago. It is a part of the Milky Way. It consists of a Sun, 8 planets, and numerous satellites. Other than these, it also contains asteroids, comets, dust, minor planets, and gases. The first planet in the solar system is Mercury. It is closest to the Sun, around the distance of 46 million kilometers to 70 million kilometers. It is the smallest planet in the solar system, but is 1.4 times bigger than the Moon. The shortest year on this planet lasts up to 88 Earth days. It is the fastest planet with the velocity of 47 kilometers per second. The longest day on this planet is 59 Earth days. It has extreme temperature variations ranging from minus 180 degrees Celsius to plus 430 degrees Celsius. It contains no rings around it and no moons or no satellites. The second planet of the solar system is the Venus. It is known as the sister planet due to the similar size and composition of Earth but with a hostile environment. Its atmosphere is thick with sulfuric acid clouds. Venus is one of the hottest planets in the solar system as its surface temperatures can exceed 900 degrees Fahrenheit. It takes longer to rotate once 243 Earth days than to orbit the Sun, which is 225 Earth days. Evidence of past volcanic eruptions on its surface are visible. No liquid water is available as high temperatures make liquid water impossible. Pressure on the surface of Venus is about 92 times that of the Earth. Venus rotates clockwise opposite to most of the planets as the other planets rotate anti-clockwise around the Sun. It is also called the evil twin of the Earth as it is compared due to similar size and location. It is studied by various spacecrafts including the Soviet Union's Venera. Earth is the only planet in the universe known to support life. A living planet with abundant water, trees, plants, and breathable air. Earth is a very special place, protected from dangerous sun rays and other objects by its atmosphere. It is the third planet from the Sun, larger than the three of the planets in the solar system and smaller than the other four. It is kept company by one moon, which is its satellite, which is also the only other place till date visited by the people from Earth. Its diameter is 7,926 miles long. Number of known moons, that is, natural satellites, is only one. Time to turn on the axis taken by Earth is 24 hours and 56 minutes. Time to orbit the Sun by Earth is 365 days, 6 hours. Its surface gravity is 1 and its average surface temperature is 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Called as the red planet, named for its reddish appearance due to iron oxide, Mars is fourth from the Sun. It lies between Earth and Jupiter in the solar system. It consists of thin atmosphere, mostly made up of carbon dioxide with very low pressure. This planet contains water and dry ice in the form of carbon dioxide. Its surface features includes canyons, volcanoes, and impact craters. Extensive search for past or present microbial life on Mars is active. Future plans for 2 human missions to Mars are being researched. Its day-night cycle is very similar to the Earth's with a 24.6-hour day.
Dusty storms on this planet are very occasional on its surface. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is fifth from the Earth. It is a gas giant which mostly composes of hydrogen and helium gases. It has a rapid rotation and has the shortest stay of all planets, which is about 10 hours only. It generates a powerful magnetic field around itself, which influences the asteroid belt and some comets. It has a great red spot on its surface, which is a persistent storm larger than the Earth. It has at least 79 known moons and counting. Its largest moon includes Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. It lacks a solid or a rocky surface, and it is studied by spacecraft like Juno and Galileo in the current time. Saturn is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium gases. Saturn is a gas giant planet and it does not have a solid surface just like that of Jupiter. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It has 53 known moons and 29 more moons awaiting for confirmation. Largest moon of this planet is Titan. It is surrounded by rings which are made of billions of small pieces of ice and rock coated with other materials such as dust. Its diameter is of 72,400 miles. It is 9 to 10 times larger than that of the Earth. It is the second largest planet in our solar system. Distance from Earth changes constantly, but the closest they are is about 746 million miles apart. It was named after the Roman god for agriculture and wealth as Saturn. Uranus is a gas giant with icy components. It has a unique tilt and rotates nearly perpendicular to its orbit around the Sun. It is one of the coldest planets with temperature around -224 degrees Celsius, which is equal to -371 degrees Fahrenheit. The ring system on this planet is known as the Uranian rings, which are named after the astronomers which were discovered in 1977. It has a very faint and narrow ring system. Its magnetic axis is very tilted unlike most planets. It rotates clockwise, opposite to the most planets, but same as the Venus. It possesses 27 moons including Titania and Oberon. It is the lowest density of all gas giants. It is only once visited by the Voyager 2 spacecraft in 1986. Neptune is an ice giant composed of water, ammonia, and methane ices with a rocky core. It is the eighth and the farthest planet from the Sun. A large transient storm system is present in its atmosphere, which makes a great dark spot on its surface. Feature of this planet is that it has the fastest planetary winds in the solar system. This planet experiences a dynamic weather patterns and frequent storms. It has a powerful magnetic field with a tilted axis. It possesses a faint ring system and 14 known moons. Triton is the largest moon and the only large moon with a retrograde orbit of this planet. It is extremely cold on Neptune as the temperatures can drop below -225 degrees Celsius, which is equal to -373 degrees Fahrenheit. It was visited by Voyager 2 in 1989.